channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I wanted to take you along while I decorate my living room for the summer. I have been slowly decorating different areas of the home, and today I will be working on the living room, so I thought I'd take you along. I will be decorating my mantel, redoing my coffee table, the pillows I'm going to leave, and just a couple different pieces and stuff like that. I have been, if you're watching my channel, you know I've been loving lemons for the season, and I will be continuing with yellow. I don't necessarily think I'm going to include too many lemons here just because I don't have enough to go around the whole house, but I do have yellows, so I will be adding that to the room and just giving it a more of a fresh, happy feeling type of space, I guess. I love my springtime decor that I've had, but it's time to change it. As you know me. If you, like I said, if you watch my channel, I change my decor often, seasonally, and I like to add a few new things to it as well. I haven't gone any home decor shopping. I have done some thrifting, so there will be a couple of thrifted items, but other than that, everything else is just from what I have on hand and lots of my own DIYs. So let's get started. So the first thing that I will be working on is removing everything off the table and the fireplace. The little side table over there is gonna stay the same. It just has picture frames and a little silver pot, that will just stay like a vase. But I will be working on the coffee table and the fireplace.
We wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh.
So I have cleaned that off, and I just want to show you all of my stuff that I'm gonna be choosing from. It's here, brought it all up. And then there's all the stuff that I took off because I might reuse some of it back up.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
So I'm not completely loving this, so I will take it down and try again. 'Cause it's just not, I love each individual side, but it's not working for me together. Okay, so I'm all done. I will most likely change a few things by the time the actual home tour goes up, which will be in about a week or so, because sometimes I just need things to kind of grow on me, and if it doesn't really work, then I know I have to change it. But I do love the way this looks right now. I think it's just simple, not too much stuff. and includes the yellows and blues that are happening throughout my house. That windmill is a DIY. I have upcycled these candelabras as well. So on the coffee table I've got my blue glass. Some of it was thrifted, and then the white jug I just did a DIY with that. So I will link all the DIYs that are in this room, so that way you can replicate if you wish so. I also kept a basket with the watering can that I DIY'd recently as well. I don't know what I would call my style. Farmhouse, boho, cottage kind of look. I'm not quite sure. I kind of like them all, so I put it all together. Like I said in one of my other videos, it's Sonja style. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell. I do DIY, home decor, cleaning type of videos on my channel, as well as cooking. So there's plenty to choose from. And those of you returning, thank you so much for your continuing support, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.